As there were some comments questioning how to assemble this setup I demonstrated yesterday, I figured I'd make a short video to show you the parts needed and how to put it all together to assemble this rig that I used to scan the very small drill bit with a CR-Scan Otter. First step is to put the cam locks onto the turntable adapter. Just screw us in, two of them. Like so. Then the third one, we don't screw in fully, we leave it a little bit open, 1.5 turn, and place it on the turntable like so, and then just rotate the cam lock into position, and now it's locked in place. Next part is to assemble the larger spacers to put on the turntable, so just screw those together and screw it together here, like so. Next part is to assemble the towers, so we can put a spacer between different modules like this, one top and one bottom part. And just place one of the caps on top, like so. And then you can just do this 4 more times with the other towers. Next part is to assemble the stand on the frame. So just take the frame and the stand, turn it upside down, use these bolt parts, and just screw it together at the bottom like so. And this is still with a drill bit attached, but this is just a spacer attached with reusable adhesive, and then just put the drill bit on it, and you screw that into the center of the stand like this. Next part is to attach the towers around the frame. Space them evenly around like this. And after that, just put the two parts together, like so. And you are done. This is now a very sturdy setup for getting a good scan with a CR-Scan Otter and probably other scanners as well.